Hi everyone, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook, a mobile app. First of all, you need to open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right and tap to setting icon. Now you need to tap a Meta account center and tap your profile, then tap your Facebook and tap to a name option. Now you can change your name, first name right here, middle name right here, and the last name. When you are done, then tap the review change and your name of Facebook will be changed. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.